Tesla Cybertruck production at Giga Texas is ramping up. Tesla Cybertruck production at Giga Texas is slowly ramping up, according to new images from outside the factory. Tesla is working on producing some of the more premium trims as it has offered Foundation Series Cybertrucks to customers. These reservation holders were invited to configure their orders over the last few weeks. Tesla order configurator revealed for Foundation Series Cybertruck. The biggest bottleneck in terms of production of the Cybertruck for Tesla will be adapting to a new process for such a unique and unorthodox truck. CEO Elon Musk has already admitted that people should temper their expectations as the company is going to need to take time to adjust and ramp up production. However, it seems things are taking a positive turn, at least slowly. Joe Tetmeyer, a drone operator at Giga Texas, captured images of several Cybertruck units, around 35 to be more precise, outside the grounds of the facility. Tetmeyer said that 19 of the Cybertrucks were in the outbound lot at Giga Texas. So Tesla is absolutely preparing to deliver some of the Foundation Series builds. Even if it is slow, it is progress, and hopefully, the automaker can make some of these deliveries in the near future. The challenges that lie ahead of Tesla for its subsequent delivery waves of the Cybertruck are adapting to a new vehicle on production lines. Musk has already admitted that this will be a challenge, but as the automaker struggled through the Model 3 ramp, it is obvious the company has learned from its past mistakes and will look for things to go much smoother this time around. As it will take somewhere between 12 and 18 months for the Cybertruck ramp to be complete and for Tesla to reach its volume production targets for the pickup. We will look for the number of all-electric trucks to grow slowly but steadily as the first months of production move along. With only 19 units in the outbound lot, this is already more than Tesla delivered at the event it held at the plant last month. Tesla has stated that it expects to build at least 200,000 Cybertrucks annually, although current projections are around 125,000 units per year. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at Teslarati.